Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shana. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have hair that looks professionally styled always. So as a hairstyling expert, there is a one product that every stylist loves the most, and that is a hairspray. A hairspray is a stylist's best friend, and also lots of you guys recently asked me which hairspray you use the most. So today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite hairspray, the iconic Elnett by L'Oreal Paris. So L'Oreal Paris has finally launched this hairspray in India, so I'm very excited to show you this hairspray to you guys. This is one of my secret weapons to get soft, natural hair with strong hold. And also I'm going to show you how to use hairspray on your hair properly and how it works. But before that, let's talk about the product. So L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin hairspray holds your hair for 24 hours but leaves the hair with a natural movement. It's causes no frizziness, and also it's take care of humidity. Superfine duo to micro diffusion technology leaves no residue, and it can be removed with a stroke of brush. And its packaging also nice and pretty. Okay, so now tested out this hairspray on hair. So for that I'm going creating curls. So for that I'm parting my hair into two sections. So creating curls, take out section from the front and now repeat that section around the iron like this. In my hair because I have a naturally straight hair, but it holds my hair pretty good. So you can clearly see that the side I applied Elnett hairspray still have wave, and the other normal side hair looks very straight, and also curl was disappear. And also one more thing, you can see that the side I apply Elnett hairspray still have shine. So one thing I like about this product is it doesn't feel that you have any heavy product on your hair, or else it doesn't make your hair hard, and also gives you a very natural effect and also make your hair shiny. You can see that. So this is travel size pack. You can carry it anywhere and everywhere, and also you can easily use it on any hairstyle and anyone. So this L'Oreal Paris Elnett hairspray can be removed with a stroke of brush, cause no reduce, और ये आपके hair को damage भी नहीं करेगा. So lots of you guys recently asked me that जब हम हेयर स्टाइल करते हैं तो थोड़ी देर बाद वो हेयर स्टाइल डिसअपियर हो जाती है और पूरा दिन स्टे नहीं रह पाती, तो कुछ ऐसा बताइए कि जिससे हेयर स्टाइल स्टे भी रहे और हेयर डैमेज भी ना हो. So उसके लिए आप L'Oreal Paris का Elnett हेयर स्प्रे यूज कर सकते हैं. ये आपके हेयर को डैमेज भी नहीं करेगा और ये ओनली आपकी हेयर स्टाइल को स्टे भी रखेगा. So L'Oreal Paris Elnett hair spray has two different variants, normal hold and strong hold. And normal one 400 ml at rupees 750, and strong hold has two different size, 400 ml at rupees 750 and smaller size 75 ml at rupees 250. So it's very affordable. और हाँ, इसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है, आप वहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि ये वाला वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड या सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.